It's time for another gardening update. Garlic chives still going on. Garlic chives. This is some basil that's under attack by them damn worms. Had a sparrow on the balcony this morning that I think was eating them damn worms. So I welcome the sparrows to come back. Free exterminating services. This is my arrow plant. Is growing pretty big. Loving it. I got a piece of Cosmo up in here. Cosmo plant right there. But this plant getting big. Tomato plant there. And here we got some more bell peppers growing. The balcony is not cleaned up. This is the cherry tomato plant that I moved, that the sparrow was on this morning looking for worms. The cherries on here are so good. This Roma tomato plant has been getting the rot bottom, but this one seemed to be all right. I had moved it. The sparrow was all over this plant. I'm looking for them down. Look, they go to rot bottom on these right here. Oh, what a mess. Take that off of there. Ooh, these two. See the rot bottom? Damn. Only got what? This. Ooh, shoot, that one good. The rest of them seem to be all right. My parsley is flowering. I don't know why. This is the pepper plant. I think I did do a video. This is the cucumber plant. I don't know when cucumbers coming, but ain't that what them flowers for? The basil's still doing okay. I mean, not basil, that's sage. I'm growing some new thyme. See the new plants in there? I gotta cut that old stuff out. Get over there. Hold up. Okay, I took all that dead stuff off the thyme. Now that's the new thyme growing. Now this basil, not basil, oregano is flowering. I got to renew that. The rosemary hanging in there, but they haven't gotten big enough for me. Some of my pepper plants need to be throwing some more seeds. But everything is everything for now. Guess chop down some of this doggone deal. You see, chop the deal down, but that's it. That's all. Happy gardening. Don't forget to check out the other participants. This is my serrano pepper plant right there. Hopefully it makes it. But that's the cucumber plant. I'll see you on the next one. Gardening update.